Hello everyone. Myself Aarti Bhatt and I am the dance teacher of LP Savani Vidya Bhavan English Medium. Today we are going to start our dance session with 5th standard students and they are going to do with me for the first time. So I have selected a catchy number and it is Mukabla. On Mukabla I will give you the steps and then we will do it with the music. So first you have to see the steps. So you have to look at my legs. Here we are supposed to open the legs and you have to sit like this. First step will be on right. It will be your right side and mine left. So I will say right only. So it is mirroring. So right, left, up, right, left, right, left, right, left. Are you getting it? Your right, left, right, left, right, left. Clear? We will do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Right wave, left wave, right, left, and right. 7 times. Then from left to right, you have to bend, you have to move your hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 your hands should be down. Okay? With the music.
We are the sounds of the streets.
Right, left, right, left, right, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, next steps. Look at my legs. We have finished here. Then we have to tap our right. So 4 times. Then we have to tap left. Right tap करेंगे. That time we have to cross our hand, open, cross, open. So left hand will be up and down, up and down. Here this hand right will be up, down, fine. So 1, 2, 3, change, 1, 2, 3, change, then hit right, hit left and jump. Legs together, hands down. Are you getting it? Again, see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, join. Okay, with the counting and with the music. From the beginning.
We are the sounds of the streets.
Right, left, right, left, right, and 1, 2, 3, forward, 2, 1. This side 1, 2, now here what is important is 1, 2, 3, 4 right side, 1, 2, 3, 4 left side, 1, 2, 3, 4 again right side and left side. You have to take only 2 steps, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and join. Are you getting? With the music if we are doing, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here our music will finish. Okay, we will do it with the music again.
We are the sounds of the streets.
Right, left, right, and 1, 2, 3, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, Hope this much you got. Now next lyrics will start. It is आया हूँ आज मैं. So here we just have to walk. Look at my steps. Tuck, tuck, tuck. So our legs are joined and hands are down. From here we have to walk with our right leg. Right, left, right, left, tuck, tuck and tuck. Okay. Then we have to go back with our right leg only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuck, tuck, tuck. This is आया हूँ आज मैं. Tuck, tuck, tuck. लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay. Then from here our legs are open. We have to go down. Tuck. Which hand? Right. And left leg should be on toe. Then left. Down, toe. Down, toe. Down, toe. Okay. Again with the music we will do. So you will get the steps. When lyrics will start, we will start the new step. Till then I will do the same steps again with the music. So you try to do it with me.
We are the sounds of the streets.
Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Tuck, tuck, tuck. रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई, वहाँ तक हमने किया, वहाँ से बाकी है. नाउ अगेन वी विल डू द स्टेप्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ठीक है. नाउ बोथ द हैंड्स. रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे. ठीक है. 1, 2. Step right side, right leg and both the hands. Left side, left leg and both the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे, दूंगा उससे जहाँ से मिटा. And move your neck right, back and center. Okay. रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे, दूंगा उसे जहाँ से मिटा. ओले ओ. Easy. Again with the music.
रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे, दूंगा उसे जहाँ से मिटा.
Now mukabla. Here and neck movement we have finished. Now keep your left hand here. Right, it is our signature step. Now for the signature step, you just have to move your 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to change your hand like karate you are doing. No, कराटे में आप लोग ऐसे करते हो ना, this and this. So here we have to bend our hand and 1 hit, change, 2 hit, change, right 2 times hit. Okay, and then again from the left, right and left 2 times. Okay, so mukabla step. It is signature step. Okay.
टोके कोई मुझे, दूंगा उसे जहाँ से मिटा.
यहाँ तक का सीखेंगे और बाकी के स्टेप्स हम बाद में सीखेंगे। लास्ट वाला जो स्टेप था वो एक बार बता देती हूँ। हमने ये मुकाबला फिनिश किया यहाँ पे, देन वी हैव टू ओपन आवर हैंड्स लाइक दिस, वी हैव टू मूव आवर नेक, 1 2 जॉइन, 1 2 जॉइन, 1 2 जॉइन, 1 2 फिनिश एंड हुक। लेग्स को ओपन कीजिए, हैंड्स अप कीजिए, फेस डाउन कीजिए। दिस विल बी अवर लास्ट पोज फॉर दिस सॉन्ग। ओके, मैं फिर से एक बार कर रही हूँ, देख लीजिए। स्टार्टिंग से
We are
करें,
the
ठीक है?
sounds of the streets.
4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 2 time 1 2 tak 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 no two hands hook step right start again signature सो आज के बैच में हम इतना करेंगे। तब तक के लिए स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ एंड कीप डांसिंग। थैंक यू।